Craig here. I did promise I was going to make a video of my GCWA S7 VMHA once I got captive screw connectors for my audio amplifier. I've got them. So 20 pieces here. 10 of these, which are the screw connectors themselves, and then 10 of these, which are like a little pin adapter for PCBs, for PCB connection. The audio amplifier only requires these, so I'll probably just keep these for like safekeeping, or if I wanted to build my own little audio amplifier. So yeah. And setup's just like last time when I tested my SP2Rs. I've got the audio amplifier hooked up to my laptop via auxiliary cable. Laptop speakers are on, I believe, let's see here. You're on 50%. As for the amplifier, bass and treble are both at 50%, and the level is about at 25, between 25 and 35%. And the speaker is set to 1/2 watt. So let's start out here with some tones. We'll do Edwards tones because it's an Edwards speaker. Start out here with the Edwards temporal horn tone. At the end, I did adjust the level setting on the audio amplifier up to 50%, because it was a little bit quiet. It's probably about what you'd hear on an actual voice evacuation system. Yeah. The other tones, I might have to, for the other tones, I might have to adjust the level a little bit, because they're all. I tried to normalize them in Audacity, but some of them did fine. Some of them did it a little too much. Next will be Edwards slow whoop tone. Sorry. Let's see here. So we'll do Edwards fast temporal tone. And last, we'll do some of my the custom tones that I made. We'll just do a few of those. British high-low. An FS 32001. NFPA temporal loop. Alright, that's enough tones. Let's go ahead and do some messages here. We'll start out with some Edwards messages. We'll do classic Edwards message with that temporal integrity tone.
Attention, attention. An emergency has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators.
And let's see, find another Edwards message here.
There has been an emergency reported in the building. Leave the building immediately using marked stairways and exits. Do not use elevators.
And let's see, where are you? Some Simplex messages. Now these Simplex messages will be what do you want to call it? Mass notification messages. So let's start out here with a few of the Simplex severe weather messages.
Warning, warning, warning. This is a severe weather alert. Take cover in your closest shelter.
And another one.
Attention, attention, attention. A weather emergency has been reported. Please take immediate cover.
Let's go to some Silent Night ones. I can remember which ones, there we go.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? A tornado warning has been issued for this area. A tornado warning has been issued for this area. Please proceed to the designated tornado shelter area.
Now, one other use you could use this speaker, these alert marked speakers for with the amber strobe is, especially if you're in Australia, they actually require it. 2-stage systems. So this would be put on a first stage system, the first stage NAC. Which is again the alert stage, which means you don't have to evacuate. So let's go and do some alert messages for the final little tests. Here we have a Potter alert message.
Attention, please. The signal tone you have just heard indicated a report of an emergency in this building. If your floor evacuation signal sounds after this message, walk to the nearest stairway and leave the floor. While the report is being verified, occupants on other floors should await further instructions.
And let's go ahead and do Firelight.
May I have your attention, please? An alarm has been activated. We are investigating the cause. Please remain calm and stand by near the speakers for further instructions.
Wheelock.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, Please stand by for further instructions.
And finally, Edwards.
Attention, please. An emergency has been reported in this building. While this report is being verified, please proceed to the corridor outside the nearest fire exit and stand by for further instructions. Do not enter the fire exit. Do not use the elevators.
Alright. So that is the GCWA S7VMHA on my Extron MPA 181T amplifier. Rate, comment, like, subscribe. You know the drill. See you guys later.